Hey y'all, it's breakfast time and today we have White Castle, jalapeno, let me turn this down. Jalapeno cheddar biscuits, or the burgers biscuits, what am I talking about? Took a bite already, need to add some hot sauce to it. I got my, what the, oh snap, it went everywhere, great. Hold on. It went everywhere. Uh-oh. That's gonna be really spicy now. I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing, so. Well, these are really good. A good way to start your day off with some burgers. I put them in the microwave for like 60 seconds, and we have food. Go down there. These are good. Enjoy.